The Maldives is a tropical paradise located in the Indian Ocean, southwest of India and Sri Lanka. It's best known for its stunning white sand beaches, crystal clear turquoise waters, and luxury overwater resorts. Here's a breakdown of key information. Palm tree general overview. Capital, Malé population, around 520,000. As of 2024, official language, Divehi religion. Islam, official religion. The country is a Muslim nation. Currency, Maldivian rupiah, MBR. Desert island geography. Comprises 26 atolls made up of around 1,200 coral islands, about 200 of which are inhabited. The Maldives has the lowest average elevation in the world, just about 1.5 meters, 4 ft 11 in, above sea level. Due to this, it's highly vulnerable to sea level rise caused by climate change. Tropical fish tourism. Tourism is the main economic driver. People visit for snorkeling and diving, rich coral reefs and marine life, manta rays, whale sharks. Honeymoons and luxury travel. Iconic overwater bungalows. Surfing and water sports, great spots for both beginners and pros. Airplane departure travel info. Visa, a 30-day free visa on arrival is offered to most nationalities. Best time to visit. November to April, dry season, though it's warm year-round. Warning: environmental challenges. Rising sea levels threaten the country's very existence. The government has been active in climate advocacy and is investing in sustainability and coral reef restoration.